Hello everyone, I am Lamojan P. Soriano and welcome to my channel. Today we will be having our new lesson, but before we proceed on that, let's have a game. In this game, you are going to guess a word by simply looking at these four pictures. This game is called 4 Picks, 1 Word. Are you familiar with this game? Alright. Let's have the first set of pictures. Do you have any idea? Fuel. Let's see. Fuel is the correct answer. For the next set of pictures, anyone from the group? Oxygen. Let's see. Oxygen is the correct answer. Next set of pictures. Heat? Is that your final answer? Let's see. Heat is the correct answer. Fuel, oxygen, and heat have something to do with our lesson for today, which is about combustion. Did you know that Earth is the only planet where fire can burn? Any combustion reaction requires oxygen, so fire is only possible in our planet. And to prove that, let's watch this video.
Fire.
In the earliest time, the earliest people have already discovered on how to make fire. They are using fire in their daily lives even up to this day. We are using fire in many different ways, such as for cooking food, generating light during power interruption, production of electricity, and so on and so forth. In fact, fire is not just really a thing, as much as it is an event that occurs due to chemical reaction. So let us learn more about combustion. What is combustion? Combustion is a scientific term for burning. We all aware of burning, right? But did you know that burning is actually a chemical reaction? Combustion is a chemical process or a reaction between fuel or hydrocarbon and oxygen. When fuel and oxygen reacts, it releases heat and light energy. Fire triangle. This is a simple way of understanding the elements of fire. The sides of the triangle represents the interdependent ingredient needed for fire: the heat, oxygen, and fuel. Fuel. A fuel is a substance that burns to produce heat energy. Burning is also known as combustion. Examples: natural gas, wood, oil, coal, and peat. Fuel. The substance undergoing combustion are termed as combustible substances or fuel, or it is something to burn. In a bonfire, wood is used as a fuel.
Oxygen. Oxygen supports the chemical processes that occur during fire. When fuel burns, it reacts with oxygen from the surrounding air, releasing heat and generating combustion products, gases, smoke, embers, etc. This process is known as oxidation. Burning a candle. When a glass puts over the candle, the oxygen inside the glass will decrease, and it gets filled with carbon dioxide, and eventually the candle's flame will extinguish.
Oxygen. Air contains about 21% of oxygen, and most fire require at least 16% of oxygen content to burn. Oxygen supports the chemical processes that occurs during fire.
Heat. A heat source is responsible for the initial ignition of fire and is also needed to maintain the fire and enable it to spread. Heat allows fire to spread by drying out and preheating nearby fuel and warming surrounding air.
Heat is a catalyst to start the fuel and oxygen combustion. In our campfires, we use the exact same elements: branches for fuel, air for oxygen, and match for heat. We have two types of combustion: complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Complete combustion. The reactants of this type of combustion are hydrocarbon or fuel and oxygen. The product of it are CO2 or carbon dioxide and H2O or water. Complete combustion may take place when there is an unlimited supply of oxygen. Complete combustion is also known as clean combustion. Here, the hydrocarbon will burn out completely with the oxygen and leave only two byproducts: the carbon dioxide and water.
Example of complete combustion. Lighting a candle. The heat from the wick will vaporize the wax, which reacts with the oxygen in the air. The two products of the reaction are water and carbon dioxide.
Incomplete combustion. The reactants of this type of combustion is the same as complete combustion: the hydrocarbon or fuel and oxygen. The product of it are CO2 or carbon dioxide, H2O or water, CO or carbon monoxide, and carbon. Incomplete combustion may take place when there is a limited level of oxygen. Incomplete combustion is also known as dirty combustion. Due to lack of oxygen, the fuel will not react completely. This, in turn, produces carbon monoxide and soot.
Examples of incomplete combustion: burning of paper, burning of wood, burning of plastics. These are incomplete combustion because it leaves behind ash, a form of soot, as byproduct. Let's have a short quiz. Number 1. Which of this is not in the fire triangle? Heat, fuel, oxygen, or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is the correct answer. Number 2. Water is not used to control fires involving electrical appliances. True or false? True is the correct answer. Number 3. Which type of fire extinguisher should be used on a fire involving flammable liquids such as grease or oil? Foam, dry chemical, water, or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is the correct answer. Number 4. Another term for burning is fire triangle, magnesium oxide, bastion, or combustion. Combustion is the correct answer. Number 5. Which is not combustible substance? Paper, cow dung cake, stone, or wood? Stone is the correct answer. All done. Congratulations. A teacher ignites a fire that fuels a student's thirst for knowledge, curiosity, and wisdom. Thanks for watching.